Getting your money from Shopify faster is less about changing a single setting and more about optimizing a few key areas of your business operations. The first and most impactful step is to switch your payout schedule. By default, Shopify may have you set to a weekly or monthly payout. Navigate to your settings, then Payments, and click Manage next to your Shopify Payments account. Under the Payout Schedule section, change the frequency to every business day. Once you save this, Shopify will batch your daily transactions and send the funds to your bank the very next working day, cutting out the waiting period completely. Your choice of payment gateway also dictates speed. If you are using third-party gateways like PayPal or aftermarket manual payment methods, the funds do not pass through Shopify's internal system and are not subject to Shopify's payout schedule. With PayPal, for instance, you can instantly access your balance for a small fee or transfer it to your bank within minutes using a debit card, rather than waiting up to 3 business days. This bypasses the batch payout queue entirely, putting cash in your hand well before a standard Shopify payout would even begin processing. The bank you connect to your store matters more than most merchants realize. Large, traditional banks often have slower processing times for ACH transfers and can hold incoming deposits for an extra day. Modern digital banks and fintech platforms are often optimized for speed. Look for a bank account that offers early direct deposit features. These institutions typically make funds available as soon as they receive the transfer notification from Shopify's banking partner, which can effectively shave 24 to 48 hours off the standard in-transit time that legacy banks usually require. To prevent money from being stuck in limbo, address the most common reasons payouts fail. A failed payout resets the clock and delays your funds by several business days. Ensure your bank account can accept the deposit type. Some virtual accounts or strictly savings accounts only accept credits if they come from a linked account under the exact same name. Mismatched bank details are the biggest culprit. Double-check that your store's legal business name, tax ID, and address match exactly what your bank has on file. Additionally, keep your chargeback ratio low, as a high-risk level triggers automatic payment holds, reserving a percentage of your daily sales and slowing down your net cash flow significantly.